Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the Tech Gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Copilot in Windows, your AI assistant, do more, quicker than ever across multiple applications with that can make it more useful in everyday situations. User-friendly by design. Seamlessly connect or charge your devices through dual full-function USB Type-C ports. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Unlock more with AcerSense. Intuitive device control is available at the touch of a button with AcerSense, which, for most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the Tech Gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.